Hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something, it's healthy, from Vite Ramen. You like them ramen noodles? I hear that all the time. Also like Roman noodles, like Julius Caesar Roman noodles. Anyways, they're made in the USA, and these are garlic pork. So let's get it on, as they say. These are like freaking uber healthy too. The pack is 500 calories, which is a lot, but dude, that's a lot of food. And you get like, what is it, like 30 proteins. You get all your minerals and 25% of your daily value of all this stuff. And yeah. So here is the noodle block, which is going to go into the boil for 2.5 minutes. So what's going on? First I should show you there's vegetables, powder seasoning, but you can't guess what that is. And the nutrients, which is all, this is all the protein and vitamins and all the junk in there. Shoes. I freaking hate shoes. I hate shoe stores. I'm still doing all my walking and crap, but there's only like one brand of shoe that's comfortable. And now I've wasted, what, like 3 trips to the stupid Skechers outlet in Alderwood, Washington, which I wouldn't recommend to my... Well, I don't know. Maybe other people have really good luck there. I mean, they've been around for a long time. But for me personally, see, when I say that, that basically, if you say, in my personal opinion, the place sucks, that totally absolves you of all crime, basically. I'm not really thinking if they're going to give me any kind of sponsorship anyways. But here's the deal. So I go in there thinking, hey, cheap shoes. It's the Skechers outlet store. They've got to have something good. So I find some shoes that have just like this sweet rubber soles on them that look like they're going to last for a lifetime, you know, like very cool. The last pair I put on Sunday. By Friday they were toast. So yeah, I get them, I bring them home. I normally wear size 13. I bring them home. They felt great. I go outside and I start walking, and my feet are slipping all over the crap. Not the bottoms have good grip. They're slip resistant. But inside the shoe itself, it's like, dude, I think somebody size 15 could have been wearing these things. So I'm like, okay. And I'd ask them what was their returns exchange policy. And they said, 45 days, you know, as long as they aren't blown up. I'm like, okay. So I go do so. Get another pair. They don't have the same ones in that size. Get smaller. Like, okay. So give it a try. Now they fit a little better, but they do still slip all over the place. Mind you, I'm trying these on in the store, and it's just not working. I mean, I have to like go outside and be walking on something other than a perfectly flat, nice store floor, I guess. But so I try that and no dice. So I come back another time. I'm like, yeah, you know, it's like I really could, you know, because there's only like 1 or 2 people working there at a time, and it's a big store. And I'm like, yeah, I need this or this. Maybe something without the stupid memory foam, because the material that's housing that memory foam insole is slippery. It's like my feet slide all over it. They're like, okay. Oh, but first the lady's like, well, this is your third exchange. This is their last chance. I'm like, what? It didn't say anything about that. I want to get shoes from you guys. I mean, I'd even pay more if they're, if they're good. That's just not how it works. Okay, whatever. So I go on the super hunt. It's like, so do you have any without memory foam? They did, but they were like about the, they were like the consistency of styrofoam. They were like molded styrofoam. I'm not kidding. It was sad. Definitely not nothing that was gonna last for a day. These are not meant for outdoor urban hiking. So I found a pair that were low top, which is what I usually get. Low top, they were leather, which I was like, I don't want leather, I want something that breathes, but whatever. Because nobody gonna help me find what I want. And that's not their fault, that's just the fact that there's not enough people around that need jobs to work at Skechers Outlet. But, anyways. So, I get them. They feel good. I walk the hell out of them in the store. I try like 8 pairs on. I just live a big frickin' mess for them. And they were, actually, what were they? $60. Like, the ones I usually get are around 30. So, okay, if these last like way longer, that's great. I went on a walk yesterday with them. They hurt. The only thing I could do, because the toes were narrow, was stomp on the ends of the shoes. I'm not kidding. So they would like get a little flexible, thinking, okay, this is how you got to break these in. So I do that, and it works a little bit. Today, I go out, do almost 6 miles. Halfway through my walk, so I have no recourse. There's no shorter way home. The back of them starts digging into my right heel. And I mean bad. I like got home, took my shoes off, and there's just like this big old bloody mess on my foot. I'm like... broth. Much more pleasant. That tastes like a pork broth. Garlic? Not extremely garlicky. And here's their noodle. I will say right now, that's very hearty. It's good. It's like... I would never just eat this straight. I would always add something to it. But honestly, I can't think of any instant noodles I would just eat straight. It's very rare that I find one that I'm just like, this is good enough. Okay. Yeah. Vegetables not bad either. And I do love my vegetable. Every once in a while, I'll look at the thing and I'll be like, it's recording, right? And get this like feeling like, oh my god, it's not even recording. I'm talking to nobody. I'm a freaking psychopath here. But not today. Today I am not a psychopath. That is a big bowl of food for 500 calories, I must say. Okay. And what are we going to do this? Well, it's garlic pork. So we're going to add some mung bean sprouts. That's a heck of a segue. Anyways, long story short, if you have size 12 shoes that you want to donate, that would be most appreciated, because honestly, I don't know what to do. I mean, we're gonna go to Walmart tonight, which is where my favorite shoes come from, which is really sad, but that's just the deal. I usually get them at Walmart Canada, but it's not like we can go all the way up to Canada tonight. But hopefully the Walmart around here has them. It looks like they have the brand. It's called Ozark Trail. And they're super comfy, and I can walk for like miles in them. And miles, and miles, and miles. But I'm so freaking sick of this whole looking for shoes thing. It's just unfair. It's so unfair, yo. It really makes me question everything. Like, why? But, you know, I don't know what else to do. What else can I say? It's just like a pain in the ass, and as some people like to use the term, it is what it is. I guess it is what it is, but it didn't used to be that way. It used to be I'd just go to the store, get a pair of shoes, and I'm like, okay. But it's like this memory foam crap has like ruined my life. My feet are, I mean, like, I'm just sitting here and my feet are throbbing just from walking 5 miles in these freaking things. My wife was sick this weekend, and she was kind enough to bring me over there. And she was hanging out in the car with the rowdies. Little rowdy children. So, like, she was out some relaxation time. So, yeah. Thanks, Skechers Place. Yeah. Alright. Rotato, now. Alright, well, cool. Ultra healthy noodles. You can check them out at www.viteramen.com. That's VITERAMEN.com. Really nice guys. Really good idea. Alright, so this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.